Hello, everybody. This is Mr. K, reading of All Ye Lands, Chapter 6, starting on page 143. Saint Benedict and His Rule. Saint Benedict, from 480 to 550, did not set out to found a religious order, but to save his soul. Born in Nursia, a town in central Italy, Saint Benedict attended school in Rome but left the corrupt city as a teenager to live as a hermit in a remote cave in Subiaco, Italy. Many others followed his example, and eventually 12 small communities established themselves in the area, each with a leader chosen by Benedict. In 525, Saint Benedict moved to a mountaintop called Monte Cassino between Rome and Naples. There he established what would become one of the most famous and important monasteries in the history of the church. At Monte Cassino, Benedict began writing his own rule to guide the life of his monks. The rule of Saint Benedict was simple, a rule for beginners, as Benedict called it. Like the rules for monks, Benedict's rule demanded that monks live a life of prayer and manual labor. But Benedict's rule is not as harsh or demanding as the rules of the Irish monasteries. According to the rule, the monks were to spend their days in a balanced schedule of prayer, study, exercise, manual labor, and rest in obedience to an abbot or father. The much harsher life of the Irish monks had attracted relatively few persons, but many more Christians could live according to the rule of Saint Benedict. And they did. It was not long before Benedictine monasteries were sprouting up across Western Europe. The Benedictine monasteries were important not only because of the missionary work they did, but because they helped preserve Roman and Greek culture in Western Europe. Monks copied ancient manuscripts of Roman literature and so kept them from being lost. Moreover, they practiced Roman methods of farming and improved them. In this way, the monks were able to teach the people of the new barbarian kingdoms the ways of civilization.